create new blog post on Google Blogger account, and I wanted whenever I used to share a new blog post on my Google Blogger account, instantly that should be shared as a new Facebook post on my Facebook page as well, so that my audience can read it through that as well. Here you can see this is a new post shared that says new blog post is live, and here we have received that blog URL which helps us to get directed to that blog instantly. You can see this is that entire blog, and here the Facebook posting is made all automatically, no manual work is involved. Yes, you heard it right. Here on my screen you can see a simple connection that I have built between my Google Blogger account and my Facebook page, using which it automatically shares my Google Blogger account to my Facebook page as a new post. And I have set up this amazing automation using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First is sign in and another one is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. But if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. And to look out for the subscriptions, you can click on this pricing options, and here you can see the yearly and one-time payment plans. I would suggest you to buy the one-time payment plan because currently it is offering the plan at a very cost-effective price. And also here you can see the unlimited benefits of this unlimited plans included over here. And while making a purchase, you just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached the coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps whenever you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to create a workflow from scratch, that is step by step, then select this option. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, select create using AI, and for a quick builder, select quick builder. Here we're going to start a fresh chat, and I'm going to describe. And then here it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow in some line to this quick workflow builder. So let me add it. It says when a new post is added in Google Blogger, share it on Facebook page. And after analyzing my request, it is asking which Google Blogger trigger should start this workflow. So let's select new post added. And for the Facebook pages action, I'm going to select create page post. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create. And here we have received our workflow link. That means we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin through automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here before moving forward, let me tell you that Google Blogger is a pooling based application. That means it is going to capture the new responses within a specific time period. Okay, so now here you can see we have selected app and the app event, and now firstly I'm going to build a new connection over here. Let's click on the sign in with Google. And here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for the blog ID first. So here on my Google Blogger account, you can see my blog ID is my blog. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down, and for the status I'm going to select only live. You can select the status as per your requirement, such as draft or scheduled. Okay, so now you have to selecting the blog ID and status. If I click on the save and send test request, I'm going to receive the latest blog posted on my Google Blogger account. So the reason behind this is that it is a pooling based application. It is going to capture the response in a specific time period. So in that case, we are going to create a new blog post over here. Let me add the title and the details. And you can see I have successfully posted a blog over here with the title as Why Small Businesses Need Marketing Automation in 2026. So this is a published blog, and let's go and click on the save and send test request in Pabbly Connect. You can see we have received a successful response where we have received the recent blog title that has been posted, and also you can see the URL for that particular blog. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Once we have received a new blog post details from a Google Blogger, we are going to share it as a new post on our Facebook page as well. So for that, we are going to build a new connection over here. Let's click on this connect with Facebook pages, and here we're going to select our desired account. Then we are going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. Here I easily got connected because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here it is asking me to select the page. So as you know that I have my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down, and then comes the message. So here I need to enter the message, or you can see the caption using which I want to post a new Facebook page post. So here you can see this is the caption that says new blog post live. You can add the caption as per your requirement, and here for the link URL I'm going to add my blog post URL. So here instead of entering the URL manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new blog post through a Google Blogger, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter / first, and here we are going to map the link URL. So this is the link URL, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new post on our Facebook page. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see a new blog post has been shared over here with the same caption, and here you can see the link for that blog post. If I click on it, here you can see it has directed to a blog post. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as Google Blogger and our action as Facebook pages, so that whenever a new post is added on our Google Blogger account, automatically it is going to be shared as a new post on our Facebook page as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to share your Google Blogger post on Facebook. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.